Hi, my name is Kirtish Makam. I am the Executive Director of Little Beez Books. Our books and resources are designed by the experts in the early childhood care and education, and the advisory committee comprises of heads of NCRT and NCTE as well. These books are in line with NEP 2020 and NCF 2022 as well. These books can be used by ICSE, CBSE, State Board, IGCSE and IB boards as well. We strive to make teaching very easy and convenient for all the teachers and for all the educators as well. Our preschool books can be implemented in all the classes. Any preschool that has adopted Little Beez books will get a regular teacher training from us on a monthly basis. They also get curriculum, lesson plans, teaching resources, worksheets and so many other benefits along with these books. So it is a complete academic partnership with the school and with Little Beez preschool books. If you are using textbooks from any other publication, do not worry at all. For your preschool, we can still implement Little BEEZ Smart Notebooks. For a strong foundation, use Little Beez books for your preschool children.